Uh-huh. 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 Are you listening? Are you listening? Uh-huh. 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 I spit motherfucking words. I know it's absurd. Niggas them be selling all that marijuana on curbs. Nigga, this is fucking Nassau. Call it Bahamas. PJ, the new spitter, the new Nostradamus. And I'm smart, dog. I end my sentences indented with them commas like a demon on some demented shit. And I meant it when I said that I'm the greatest. Getting high as the Himalayas mountain. I fucking looking for the fountain of youth to tell the truth. When it comes to the b-ball, I'm dunking, and you is a pussy, yo, softer than a Tootsie Roll. Let me put my finger in and see how deep this pussy goes, and I could push him over the motherfucking edge off with your head, my nigga. I'm off with the sledgehammer, about to bring up the disaster, the catastrophic, bitch, and I'm high like them niggas who ain't know what the topic is of the freestyling. When got your bitch one time and she smiling, I take her one of these 700 islands, and you could get buddy bargain if you be vibing with me, P. And I read my Bible every day, every time for some fucking survival. And ever since my arrival, I've been killing these rappers. No signs of life, yeah, flatline vital. I know what's the title. I do not like you. Niggas damn clear like Sprite do. The mic do things that you cannot do. Boy, I run up shots, hopscotch who? You can find me under Partiski dog eating a scotch over by PI, smoking a PI. So my last name in Gibson, why you wanna CI, bitch? Here's a TIP. Listen to some motherfucking Dom B.I.G. Yeah, his favorite album, Ready to D.I.E. Not life after death, cause the life is always kept in the place where I slept. That's my bed, your bitch give me head, nigga, and I read instead. Your nigga come trippin', he get that lead all up in the side, and then he get the drippin', he dead. Understand I got the Mach 10, put the clip in instead. Make his fucking head look like a cow, bitch. I'm one of the best rappers, niggas above average. I live the life lavish, boy don't speak Spanish. Y'all niggas is motherfucking just garbage.